guys, welcome to Pinoy Internet Selling System. This is Christopher Valdez and I'm the founder and creator of Pinoy Internet Selling System. Okay? So, before we proceed o before mo ma-access 100% free and lifetime itong ating internet selling program, itong Pinoy Internet Selling System, meron akong pinadala sa yung confirmation email. Okay? So, i-click mo yon or i-open mo yon and then i-click mo yung confirmation link na nakalagay doon sa confirmation email na yon. Okay? And after you click that, meron kang marireceive na username and yung password mo dito sa ating Pinoy Internet Selling System. Okay? So, ito lang is our way of making sure na seryoso ka ba talaga na matuto ng mga ideas and knowledge about internet marketing and about online business. So, pang sa ganun, magamit mo para sa yung home-based business, para sa yung online business, or para sa yung network marketing business. Okay? So, before mo puntahan yung confirmation email na yon, okay, before mo puntahan yung email address mo na ni-register kanina, okay, i-share ko na din sa iyo kung ano ba yung matututunan mo dito sa ating internet selling program na ito. Okay? So, basically, itong Pinoy Internet Selling System na to, hinati ko siya into 4 modules. Okay? So, sa module number 1, matututunan mo dito yung buong process on what is internet marketing, okay? On how you are going to attract your positive prospects, your hungry buying customers into your business, okay? And malalaman mo rin dito yung mga basic selling concepts about internet marketing. And finally, malalaman mo dito yung mga gears or yung mga tools na kailangan mo na gamitin para sa iyong journey dito sa internet marketing, okay? And sa module number 2 naman, dito mo malalaman yung buong process on how to make money online. Okay? So, yung pagdadaanan ng customers mo, ng mga visitors mo from point A to point Z. Wherein sa point Z, okay, doon mo na i-close yung visitors mo, yung prospect mo para sa yung business. Okay? And finally, dito mo rin malalaman kung paano ka magbibuild ng list mo, ng positive and hungry buying list mo, or yung kung tinatawag sa offline marketing is yung prospect list mo. Okay? So, ayan yung matututunan mo sa module number 2. Sa module number 3 naman, mga best practices yung malalaman mo. So, malalaman mo yung best practices about email marketing, best practices about blogging, and syempre, best practices on how to create a lead capture page. Okay? So, itong lead capture page, dito nila ipapasok yung email address nila pang sa ganun, ma-follow up mo sila in the future. Okay? And finally, sa module number 4, dito mo naman malalaman yung idea about affiliate marketing. Okay? So, dito sa affiliate marketing, kung baguhan ka pa lang, wala kang knowledge about internet marketing, wala kang knowledge about online business, ito yung pinakamabilis and pinakamabisang paraan upang sa ganun, kumita ka kagad online. Okay, so papakita ko sa iyo rito yung buong process kung paano ka pwedeng kumita online kahit wala kang website, kahit wala kang system, or kahit wala kang products. Okay? So, affiliate marketing. Okay? So, dito, basically, ang idea lang dito, ipopromote mo lang yung system or yung product ng ibang merchants or yung ibang mga companies. Okay? So, that's it guys, no? Ayan yung mga matututunan mo dito sa ating Pinoy Internet Selling System. And basically, meron akong mga bonuses na binigay sa'yo dito and pwede mo siyang i-download once you access our training program. Okay? So, once again, thank you so much for taking action na mag-register sa ating Internet Selling System. And puntahan mo na yung email address mo, i-click mo yung confirmation email na pinadala ko. And i-click mo ulit yung confirmation link doon upang sa ganon, ma-receive mo na yung email or yung username and yung password mo dito sa ating training program. Okay, so once again, thank you so much. And I want to see you sa ating training program and I hope and I'm 100% confident na marami kang matututunan doon sa ating training program. Okay, see you on the other side.